Hello everybody, welcome to ISPO. We are here with the Team Riders International to talking about Technica Brisa free mountain products.
Hi there, my name is Thibaut Duchosal. I'm French and I'm part of the Technica Brisa free mountain team. I used to compete a lot past few years ago, then get injured, and now I'm filming a lot, running some big movie project. My last project, Eye of the Storm, has been award for the world, and now I'm working on a new project called Rise, and stay in touch for next season. I'm gonna speak about like the Peacemaker ski, which is like a new one in our line. So basically, we do have like a twin tip ski. We did want to bring something to the young guys coming from the jibbing to go on a big mountain side. So Peacemaker is quite a wide ski with a 104, made with wood core technology, a mix of free wood, make it light and playful as well. Flip core technology as well, like we flip them all, flip the core, and makes a natural rocker, easy, playful. I guess like it's gonna be like a upcoming weapon for next season.